talked about our needs in the last chapter. Today, we are going to discuss about wants.
Welcome to RPN, and it's time to learn with RPN. Let's think and speak English.
As I told, there is not much difference between need and want while speaking. और ये बोलने वाले पे डिपेंड करता है कि कब need का यूज करना है और कब want का. Want is also related to our daily work routines. Now, we will connect all the subjects. We are going to use do, does, did, and will in the same way as we did in the last chapter. Here are some structures. Please pause the video to understand these structures. Let's take one example based on these structures. Please pay attention towards each and every sentence properly. Here a class is going on. यहाँ टीचर क्या पूछना चाहती है? What does teacher want to ask here? टीचर पूछना चाहती है. Teacher wants to ask. क्या आप इंग्लिश बोलना चाहते हो? Do you want to speak English? Here is Pinku. Pinku कहना चाहता है. Pinku wants to say, मैं इंग्लिश बोलना चाहता हूं. I want to speak English. Here is Pinky. Pinky कहना चाहती है. Pinky wants to say, मैं इंग्लिश नहीं बोलना चाहती. I don't want to speak English. Now teacher wants to say, मैं चाहती हूं कि आप इंग्लिश बोलो. दोस्तों, जब भी आप किसी और से चाहते हो कि वो कोई एक्शन करे, please use a structure I want somebody to action. So, teacher is saying here, I want you to speak English. मैं नहीं चाहती कि आप पिंकू से पीछे रह जाओ. दोस्तों, जब भी आप किसी और से चाहते नहीं हो कि वो कोई एक्शन करे, please use a structure I don't want somebody to action. Here is an action पीछे रहना. It means leg behind. So teacher is saying here, I don't want you to leg behind Pinku. अब पिंकी हाँ कहना चाहती है. Now Pinky wants to say yes. मैं पिंकू से पीछे नहीं रहना चाहती. I don't want to lag behind Pinku. Now teacher wants to say, आप क्या बनना चाहते हो? What do you want to be? पिंकू आंसर देना चाहता है. Pinku wants to answer, मैं अच्छा इंसान बनना चाहता हूं. I want to be a good human. आप अच्छा इंसान क्यों बनना चाहते हो? Why do you want to be a good human? मेरे माता पिता चाहते हैं कि मैं एक अच्छा इंसान बनूं. My parents want me to be a good human. मैं भी यही सुनना चाहती थी. I wanted to hear the same. अब टीचर पिंकी से पूछना चाहती है. Now teacher wants to ask Pinky. क्या आप भी यही कहना चाहती थी? Did you want to say the same? मैं ये नहीं कहना चाहती थी. I did not want to say this. Guys, क्या टीचर कुछ और पूछना चाहती है? Does teacher want to ask something else? टीचर और कुछ नहीं पूछना चाहती. Teacher does not want to ask something else. दोस्तों, इस कन्वर्सेशन में अगर आपको कहीं भी कंफ्यूजन हुआ हो, please go through the structures again. You will get the answer, else you can drop the mail to us. Guys, now I am asking some questions. Please use these structures for answering. Do you want to be rich? Do you want to purchase something from Amazon or Flipkart? If yes, what do you want to buy? Do you want to go abroad? Do you want many friends? Do you want a house with your own income? Do you want to visit hill station? If yes, where do you want to go? When do you want to go? How do you want to go? Who do you want to go with? Please pause the video while speaking your sentences. Let's learn couple of daily use sentences. जब कोई शरारत कर रहा हो तो हम कहते हैं शरारत मत करो. Please say here, don't do mischief. और अगर किसी को कहना हो बकवास मत करो, please say here, don't talk nonsense. Let's learn some words for a person now. Here is Shaheed. It means martyr. Here is Deshbhakt. It means patriotic. Here is one more, Gaddar or Deshdrohi. It means traitor. Let's go to the next section. कहते हैं दोस्ती करते नहीं, दोस्ती हो जाती है. लेकिन ये कैसे पता चले कि सच्चा दोस्त कौन है? Here I want to say, मित्र वही जो मुसीबत में काम आए. Proverb for the day is, a friend in need is a friend indeed. Guys, I want you to always help your friends when they need. Now I want you to practice. Please pause the video while speaking these Hindi lines. Thank you guys. Have a nice time.